Hi, my name is Darragh. I'm a technical support engineer here at Simply NUC, and today we're going to look at the P360 Ultra and how to install or upgrade your RAM. So before we begin, you want to make sure you're ESC safe. Of course, you have your RAM sticks on you and your P360 Ultra. So now I'm going to begin. I'm going to turn this around and show you that there's a little latch here that you push in and pull this top part, and you can remove the entire inside of the computer, just like that. I'll place that to the side, and now we can work on installing our RAM. So we've got two SO-DIMM RAM slots here on this side, and when you flip over to the other side, if we lift this latch up and pull these wires out, there's another two SO-DIMM RAM slots here. So an important distinction with this unit compared to other NUCs on the market is that this side is one channel and this side is also another channel for your dual channel RAM. So what you want to do to make it dual channel, if you only have two sticks of RAM, is you want to install one here and you want to install the other on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install all four sticks, and you'll have your dual channel with up to 128 gigs of RAM here. So just to show you this again, with this down, you have to make sure you lift this cable out of the way for the fan, and there's a little button here that you just push in, and this entire fan assembly will lift up, and you can see your RAM slots there. So I'll take a RAM, plug it in on the bottom one this way. Now this one specifically goes with the label facing upwards. It will not go in this side with the label facing downwards. And we'll just push that down until it clicks. And I'll do the same with this RAM. Push it in at a 45-degree angle, push it down until it clicks. Perfect. And now we can place the fan assembly back down just by pushing it down. Let's make sure that's aligned properly. There we go. Clicks into place. And I will take this little cable, and there's a little sort of hook on this side, which you can just hook it under like this, and then it'll stay in place. So I'll flip the unit all the way around so you can see these two RAM slots. These are much easier to access, but these ones take this RAM with the label facing downwards. So I'll put this in the bottom slot first, and now that I have that in the bottom slot on this side, that makes it dual channel. We'll put the other stick in at a 45-degree angle. Easy does it. And then we'll push that down until it clicks. And there we have it. We have all your RAM installed. I'll take the outer chassis back, and you want to make sure that you read here that says top. So you put that facing this way, carefully slide it in on the rail, so to speak, and then you just push it in until it clicks into place. That's how you do it, and thank you very much for this video.